Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make fried okra the healthy way. This is a great way to fry your okra because you're not even frying it at all. You're going to be doing it in the oven, so it's a lot healthier for you. To get started, you'll want to heat the oven to 350 degrees. Then you'll want to get a non-stick baking sheet ready to go. Next, I want to slice up my okra. To do this, I'm going to get whole okra. I'm going to cut off both ends. And then I'm going to slice it into about 1/2-inch slices. Now I have about 1 cup of sliced okra. Then in a shallow dish, I want to crack 1 egg. And then I'm going to mix it up until it's beaten. Now that my egg is beaten, I am going to get my flour cornmeal mixture ready to bread the okra. In another shallow dish, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of yellow cornmeal. This is the fine cornmeal. And then 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of my favorite spice blend. You could use just some salt and pepper. You could use some dried herbs. Today I'm using a Cajun mix. I'm just blending everything together with my fingers. Now I am ready to coat my okra. So first, I'm going to dip my okra in the egg mixture. You want to get it in there enough so that all the pieces of okra have a chance to get coated. Then I'm going to move the okra into the flour cornmeal mixture. I'm just going to use my hands to get everything coated nice and evenly. Then I'm going to just shake off some of the excess flour cornmeal mixture and put it on my baking sheet. Now that my okra is on the baking sheet, I'm just going to give it a light spray. You could use a canned aerosol baking spray. Today I'm just going to be using some olive oil that I have in one of those handy spritzer bottles. This is what's going to help give the okra a nice crunchy and fried flavor and texture without the added fat or calories. Now it's ready to go in my 350-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes until golden brown. This is Chef Mariko showing you how to make fried okra the healthy way. Enjoy.